What's going on, everybody, and welcome. This is Oscar. Big news coming out of Cryptocom announcing a new senior vice president of engineering. There's something I gotta tell you guys. They're not playing around. Top tier quality professionals I would expect from a really recognized cryptocurrency exchange. I'll tell you what you need to know. Plus, go ahead and take a look at CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. At the moment of this video, Bitcoin above $40,000. It marked a resistance level that a lot of people wanted to break. It's broken. So what's next? I'll answer the two questions people are asking right now. Why did that happen? And are we going to continue at those levels? Plus, there's other news that you got to know when it comes to NFTs and more. Sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and get started with the TA because this is insane. Guys, this is the price of Crypto.com at this time. Definitely a cryptocurrency that you and I like. If you're watching this video, are we going to be selling? Are we going to be buying more Crypto.com? That's an answer you have to answer for yourself. You know me already, always buying the dip, putting it to the DeFi stake, more than 12% APY. I'm golden. Plus, if you even want to go the extra mile, use VVS Finance, use Finance, use all the ones out there. They'll give you more and you'll have an amazing return later on. But of course, you increase the risk. I mean, that's the way it happens. But in my opinion, guys, Crypto.com, will it ever reach $1? As a lot of people always ask me, what is the price prediction for Crow by the end of the year, by the end of 2025, 10 years? We don't know. Nobody knows. But when you take a look at the different players in the arena, Binance is the only one that it's kind of ahead of us in that regard. And if you compare the same coin, the market cap to Bitcoin, from Crypto.com to Bitcoin, you will be around $20 plus. So realistically speaking, Crypto.com in a couple of years from now, $1, $2, $3 tops. I totally see it if we have definitely the good bull cycles that we need in the cryptocurrency space. So with that being said, let nobody create false expectations that we're gonna be $20 in less than 5 years. I don't agree with that. Let me know your opinions in the comments down below. What you're seeing right now on the screen, everybody, is of course a jump from 40 cents to 43 cents. Not a big deal on the 4-hour chart, but like I've said, the good news is, why did this jump happen in Bitcoin? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Volume, volume, volume. And let me tell you something, guys. This means, you know what this means? That there's always people willing to buy Bitcoin. There's always people willing to buy Bitcoin at these levels. It's just that they're waiting for the right news, the right moves, and all the inclination to happen. But I mean, they had the money. There's always people with money, right? And boom, complete volume coming out all the way to the top at the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hours right now. And we are about to be overbought here on the RSI and the stochastic RSI. It kind of indicates that too. And if I, of course, open the Bollinger Bands, I'm sure we're already reaching there. Now, the question is, Oscar, will this move continue? Well, at this time, $40,000, 40 and plus, getting to the 41,000, hopefully. It kind of probably reach close to that. And Ethereum, look at this resistance level here at this Fibonacci at close to $3,000. In my experience, guys, and I'm sure this is not new to some of you, definitely after this pump is rare that we see a continuation of a pump like this, because you're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest cryptocurrencies. 1% on Bitcoin is a lot of money. It's a lot, and it moves markets. So I will agree that we're gonna be having a retracement later on. You can take a look at the 4-hour chart right here at the bottom. Something coming below that resistance, that top bar of the RSI, the band of the RSI. Highly agree that's going to happen. So I would be of the idea that we're going to be going down somewhere around this level by the end of the day. If not, then great, I was wrong and we're going all the way to the moon. That is why when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, don't even worry, don't even bother to predict it, because that's years long. When it comes to Cryptocom, guys, right now it's a perfect price. I'm not concerned. You want to day trade it, up to you, but honestly, we are looking incredible. Now, to answer the question, why did this happen? Well, boom, January 2022 jobs report added 467,000, much higher than the expectations. The US added 467 in January. The figure is well above the analysis expectation. So You and I probably were not really into the government or politics, don't worry, but basically this all affects the markets. The jobs report is, I mean, one of those figures, right? Including with the unemployment rate, the lower the better, the higher the better. For the stock market and the crypto market, now that everything is so intertwined and correlated. So if these do well for that month, for this period of time, we're gonna do well. Just remember that in March of this year, we have the new rate coming up out of the Federal Reserve. So do have money on the side. Don't try to go all in at this time if you're doing long term. Now, when it comes to crypto.com, my friends, yes, here it is, the one and only, the top tier that I was mentioning, Mike Warner, the new Senior Vice President of Engineering. Now, this is not gonna get us to $1. This is not gonna get us to 1,000,000 people now coming into the markets. But if you gotta know me a little bit more, is that I adore understanding who is coming to these projects, because I'm well invested on crypto.com. I'm well invested on VVS Finance, Tectonic coming from Kronos Blockchain, that comes from crypto.com. And I'm gonna keep putting more money there. I wanna get some NFTs. So this is a long-term project for me. I need to know who these people are a little bit better, right? Like, I know the CEO, I mean, super smart guy, but this person, guess what? You can find it on LinkedIn. I mean, you have to kind of find it on LinkedIn, right? And this is him. And well, this person has 30 plus years of experience in the IT industry. Not bad. I mean, to take a position in the officers at a top level company, not bad. You can see engineering director at Google, HSBC, which is a bank, full-time global director, chief information officer probably, and a VP of engineering, chief technology officer, and now senior vice president of engineering. So what is he going to be doing? There it is. I got you. This is the official post of crypto.com as of today. And basically they're saying that this person, Mike, is going to be continuing to build the brand and the world-class engineering team in the United Kingdom and across Europe to accelerate the world's transitions to cryptocurrency. And it's going to further strengthen the crypto.com's innovative technology and processes to support, take a look at this, the growth, the state-of-the-art mobile apps that I know, because when I go to, when you go here on the announcement, the people are saying, but is he going to fix my waiting time? And is he going to fix the application? I mean, is he going to make the app work? I mean, I'm reading the comments, right? So, of course, you and I know have to agree that all these projects are, I mean, far from perfect. But the fact that we're kind of having top tier people, you know, from looking at his credential, that kind of gives me hope, and I like it. So NFT platform, the cryptocurrency exchange, and all of that when it comes to the mobile apps, to me, it's a huge positive. So this is exactly his background, Google, leading other people, and so much more. I think that's great, guys. Honestly, not really bad at all. And go ahead and refresh CoinMarketCap. We're at 1.62. I think it's much higher, but classic CoinMarketCap never giving us accurate information. At this time, refreshing this one, the extreme fear all across the board, even though Bitcoin is about 40,000, just to give you an idea how you should approach your stuff. And if you kind of want to have an idea what cryptocurrency is heading, well, definitely the MicroStrategy CEO, Saylor, it's a super bull on blockchain and cryptocurrency. Boom, 100-year investment. So don't pretty much worry at this time. And last of the news that I told you at the very beginning, I got one free NFT from Gemini Nifty Rewards, and I bought to immediately take a look at the Awkward Astronauts. They seem to be a cool project, not because I own 3, it's just because that is brand new, and the 2 Winklevoss brothers have found in Gemini that had the idea, the Facebook idea, remember, that was stolen by Zuckerberg. They have one Taylor NFT in this collection. So just to give you an idea, this might be a good one if you ever kind of like thinking about NFTs. You can pay with credit card, you can pay with Gemini Pay, you can pay with Ethereum. More people are coming to blockchain, more people are buying cryptocurrencies, and more people are getting NFTs. Don't be late. It's time for you to act now. Take a look at the links down below, guys. You want to join my Patreon and Discord, more people coming in, super awesome community. And do not forget to grab your physical coins, which are incredible. Links in the description down below. Have a good one, guys. Peace.